Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You begin by verifying the essentials. Make sure CMD. exe is present in C, /Windows /System32, and the path environment variable includes that folder. Open an elevated PowerShell now. You need admin rights to change system path and file permissions. If CMD. exe is missing, copy it from a healthy machine or extract from Windows installation media. Once done, adjust file permissions so system and administrators have full control, and then proceed to update the path to include both C, /Windows and C, /Windows /System32. Now you repair the path so the shell can find CMD. First, temporarily run $env path plus equals C /Windows C /Windows /System32 to confirm CMD launches. If that works, use setx path %path% C /Windows C /Windows /System32 from an elevated prompt to persist the change. Next, inspect the registry key under hklm /system /current control set /control /session manager /environment. Ensure the value of path contains system32. Make changes carefully. Incorrect edits can break. Finish by rebooting or signing out so persistent environment changes apply. Then test CMD from start and run. If CMD still fails, run sfc/scano and then dism/online/cleanupimage/ restore health to repair system files. These commands fix corrupted or missing executables. If problems persist, restore the registry export you made earlier, or perform a Windows repair install to replace broken components without losing files. Troubleshooting tip. If CMD launches only as admin, check user path inheritance and remove malformed entries that truncate.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.